Hello, welcome to TCL Tutorials. Downloading and installing games. Turn on your TV. Press Power button. Press Home button. Choose Apps on the list shown on the left side of the screen and click OK on your remote control. The Apps window will show up so you can see the games that have been already installed. Choose Get More Games. If it's your first time with the games on Android TV, it will put you through welcoming slides. Now you have to create a gamer ID. Click Find Out More to get more information, or just click Next to go to the next part. The permission of sharing your game data will be shown. Click Accept to go further, or Cancel if you disagree. If you want to read Google's privacy policy, click it. Click Find Out More to get more information. Choose your avatar and click Next. Choose privacy settings based on your preferences by clicking Allow or Don't Allow. Done. Your gamer profile has been created. Use navigation buttons to find the game you want and click OK. Now you can read a game description. After reading, click OK and click Install to download and install the game. The TV will ask you to connect a gamepad. It is necessary to play, but not for installing. Click Continue. Wait till installation process ends. Click Open to play. Remember that you have to have a gamepad. Uninstalling games. To find your games, you press the Home button. Choose Apps on the list shown on the left side of the screen and click OK on your remote control. Click down on Navigation panel to move among the apps and games so you can find the one you want. Find the game you want. Hold OK for a while and the list will show up. You can choose what you want to do. If you want to uninstall it, choose this option and click OK. To confirm your decision, click OK. The game is automatically uninstalled. Done. Thank you for watching. If you want to get more information, visit us at tcl.com.